Aight, my name is Big Money, and check this out. I know when people hear the word budget, they start stressing like it's some math test they ain't studied for, but it really ain't that deep. Creating a budget is just telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to create a simple budget in just 6 steps. We gonna make this easy, stress-free, and best believe you gonna walk away feeling in control of your coins. Let's go. Step number 1, know your money. Count what's coming. And first thing first, you gotta know how much you got coming in. You can't start divvying up your money if you don't even know what you're working with. So pull out that paycheck, side hustle cash, whatever it is, and add it up. Now, if you got a regular 9 to 5, that's easy. You just look at what's hitting your account after taxes. If you hustling on the side, like doing DoorDash or selling stuff online, you gotta keep track of that too. Add it all up, and boom, that's your monthly income. Step 2, count the income. Once you know the exact number, you're halfway there. A lot of people out here guessing how much they make, and that's why they be broke by the middle of the month. We not guessing. We getting real about our dollars. Step number 3, track your spending. Where the money really goes. Next up, we gotta talk about spending. This the part most folks don't wanna face. But if you don't know where the money's going, you can't fix nothing. So step 4 is to write down every single thing you spend money on. I mean everything. Rent, bills, groceries, that coffee you grabbed yesterday, that extra pair of sneakers you didn't need but copped anyway. Write it down. Step 4, write down the spending. You gonna look at your list and be like, dang, I spent that much on takeout this month? Yeah, you did. But that's cool. The whole point of this is to see where your money's going, so you can start telling it where to go next. Now, some folks like to use apps, but if you old school, you can hit a notebook or a notes app. The point is, be real with yourself. Step number 5, split it up. Give your money a job. All right, we are almost at the last step now, splitting up the money. This where the magic happens. You got your income and your spending. Now we just gotta make them work together. We gonna do this in 3 categories. Needs. This is the essentials, y'all. Rent, utilities, groceries. You gotta keep the lights on and food in the fridge, so make sure you cover these first. Wants. This the fun stuff. Yes, you can still spend on the things you enjoy, like going out, Netflix, that little shopping spree, but put a limit on it. You gotta balance. Savings and debt. This the most important one if you wanna see progress. You gotta stack some money and pay down any debt you got. Even if it's just $50 a month, pay yourself first by putting something aside. Step 6, needs, wants, and savings. Now here's a quick formula that works for a lot of folks. 50% goes to needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or paying off debt. And there it is, y'all. A simple, no drama budget in 6 steps. Count what's coming in. Track where it's going. Split it up so you're covering needs, having fun, and saving some for your future self. Stick to this, and watch how fast you start seeing changes in your bank account. It's all about being the boss of your money instead of letting it run you. Now, if you feel like you learned something, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to get your money right. And if you're feeling this, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Peace.